Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
First up this evening, an acknowledgement by the Police Commissioner, Dr. Kevin Blake, that incidents of violent confrontations between the police and civilians are happening too frequently.
In the latest JCF force orders, Dr. Kevin Blake called on members of the JCF to exercise self-discipline while warning criminals against meeting the police with deadly force. 116, the number of persons killed in confrontations with members of the security forces as at May 2, 2026. That's according to the latest data from the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM. This is 10 more than the comparative period last year. The police commissioner, Dr. Kevin Blake, says he's taken note. In the latest force orders, he stressed that during violent confrontations, it is never the objective of the police for loss of lives. Instead, the aim, he says, is to de-escalate and reduce tension. He further emphasized that fatal shootings do not benefit anyone and called on officers to exercise self-discipline. Dr. Blake noted, quote, "There is hardly any profession that offers a greater degree of professional autonomy than the police. That autonomy carries inherent risk and power must be restrained," unquote. On the issue of public trust, he pointed out that citizens judge the institution through individual interactions and that self-discipline ensures these interactions align with organizational values, stabilizes behavior across the force, and strengthens legitimacy. At the same time, Dr. Blake warned criminals against meeting the police with deadly force.